Hello friends, we have been doing some good work on the use of articles in English, definite article and indefinite article. Then we saw definite article is it's a challenge in a way for people learning English as a second language to acquire near native efficiency and also proficiency in the use of this definite article the. Simple thing to remember is that whenever you use something it is specified with a specific meaning, see, then you should use the. If you say like this, I saw a friend of mine, or you say I saw a man, the man was. So you are particularizing that, or you are specifying that. I have a book with me, the book is borrowed from the library. The book is borrowed from the library. The book which is with me, that is specific now, not any other book. So that is the general rule that you can apply to any nouns, particular use of a noun or specific use of a noun. Or if we can replace the by this or that, that's another test. Is a I have a book with me, the book. You can say I have a book with me, this book. See? I have a book on the shelf, that book, the book. Say, isn't it? Okay, simple things. These are very simple things. Now you can see, I will write some names on the board. You can see, you should tell me what are they. That is, say Italy. What is Italy? India. India. Japan. Pakistan. What are these? Names of countries. Isn't it? Pakistan. Iran. Iraq. Then Nepal. Bhutan. Australia. Mexico. Peru. Then what else you have? Bangladesh. Then Pakistan we have written. So names of countries. These are names of countries. Again we have got United States of America. United States of America. Or we say USA. Isn't it? Yes. Soviet Union. And you have got USSR. Or you have a United Kingdom. Short form is UK. Right? Sudan, no short form. Transvaal. These are names of countries. Isn't it? And then there are 2 or 3 words that will help to describe, or you can say adjectives that can be used with countries. Many adjectives, but here you can see the character of that particular state or country. Like republic. Whether it is a republic or it is you can see this is a dictatorship or anything like that. And then you have got a kingdom or protectorate. Sorry, kingdom, protectorate. That is republic, kingdom, protectorate, and you have so these words: protectorate, kingdom, republic, and these are some of the words that describe the nature of that country. Whether it is a republic or not, whether it is a kingdom, whether it is a protectorate, and so on. So, let's start from here. So, what are these? These are names of countries. We have seen. These are names of countries. And you have names of countries. Names of countries. Now, one very important point to remember here is, when you deal with names of countries, do not use the definite article the. Understand? Do not use the definite article the. So that means if you write the Italy, that is wrong. The India, wrong. The Japan, wrong. The Pakistan, wrong. The Iran, wrong. The Iraq, wrong. The Nepal, wrong. The Bhutan, wrong. The Australia, wrong. The Mexico, wrong. The Peru, wrong. The Bangladesh, wrong. The France, wrong. So that. Then the Denmark, wrong. The Sri Lanka, wrong. The South Africa, wrong. Understand? I think now that's clear. But the name of the country suggests that it is made up of smaller units. And it is a United States of America. That means the union. Some states came together piece by piece. Then you should use the. Say the. It is correct here. The USA, the Soviet Union, the USSR, the United Kingdom, the UK, the Sudan, the Transvaal. So here it is. Okay. Why? Because then the suggestion is, when you hear the name of the country, you get an idea. This is not a single unit, but many parts or many states came together and they made a union. So in such cases, you should use the. Now you will ask me, sir, why? Why is it like that? It is like that. It is because it has been a practice used by the native speakers of English. That is, understand? It's a practice. So we have to, because we are learning English. So according to what they say, we are supposed to obey. Understand? Yes. And now, another point to note here, when you find words like this, say for example, you say India. When India stands alone, you should not use the definite article. But suppose just before that you write like this, the Republic of India. Then you have to use the Republic of India, the Kingdom of Macedon. See that? The Kingdom of Macedon, the Protectorate of Liberia, the Republic of South Africa. Understand? We are using words like this. The Kingdom of, the Republic of, the Protectorate of, and so on. Such words if we are using. Words that will tell you the nature of that country. Whether it is a republic, whether it is a kingdom, or whether it is a protectorate, and so on. Then you will have to use the. For in this place you can see the Republic of India. And India stands alone? No, not necessary. Understand? Not at all necessary. The kingdom of Japan. They have a king there. See? So it is not a republic of Japan. We don't say it is a republic. Kingdom. There is a king there. So the king. So it's a like that we have got South Africa, for example. When it stands alone, no question of using the. But when you say the Republic of, when you just before that you write the word Republic or use the word Republic, then you should use the Republic of South Africa. It's simple. Otherwise also again you say Republic of South Africa, Republic of India, you cannot say. You cannot say. Isn't it? Why? Because you yourself know that something is missing. That sense will come to you automatically. It should come to you automatically. So today we have discussed only just one point. As in every class, you find this. First, do not use the with names of countries. Second, use the with names of countries when the names of countries suggest that they are made up of small units like USSR, USA and so on. And then the names of country is preceded by or before a name of country you use kingdom, republic or protectorate. Then in that case you have to use the. I think it is clear. Further explanation will spoil our soup and therefore bye. Have a nice time. Soon we will be taking a test. Then things will be clear again. So you will be enlightened when you take a test. So don't be reluctant to take the test because you will be getting periodic tests to see whether you have understood what I have been telling you. Because this is after all tutorials. So individual attention will be given to you. Alright? Fine. Thank you for listening and joining me. So we will again meet with another dose of the say in the near future. Till then, bye, have a nice time, enjoy your life.